A very important question. Water is dripping out from a conical funnel at the rate of 5 centimeter cube per second if the radius of the base of the funnel is 5 centimeter and the altitude is 10 centimeter. Find the rate at which the water level is dropping when it is 2.5 centimeter from the top. Okay, so I have made a diagram here. Now let's complete the diagram. Now we are having, this is as a cone, so now this is a cone. Now let this be the O, A, and this is the vertex V, where from where water is dripping out. Okay, so now it is given that if the radius of the base of the funnel is 5 centimeter and the altitude is 10 centimeter. Okay, so here is the water level, this part. Okay, so this is the water level where it is going out from the cone, from the dripping slowly drop wise from the funnel. Now suppose this is B and this is C. Now what they have given to us, and we are assuming that this is R and from here to here let it be H. Okay, so let's move with the statement part first. Now let R and H be the level of the water in the cone at time t. Volume of the cone, there water is dripping out from a conical funnel at the rate of 5 centimeter cube per second. So volume of the cone with respect to time t, and we can write it is what is dV by dt, and this is what 5. This is 5 centimeter cube per second. It is dripping out, it means it is decreasing. Okay, so we can write it negative of 5. One thing, now in our cone, now let OA is equal to, sorry, it is not let, it is given. Now given OA is equal to 5 and OV is equal to 10 centimeter. These two things they have already given. Radius of the base of the funnel is 5 centimeter and altitude is 10 centimeter. Okay, and now what we have taken, BC is equal to R centimeter and BV is equal to H centimeter. BC is equal to R centimeter and BV is equal to H centimeter. Now from this conical part, what else we can take it? Let's proceed now. Given dV by dt is equal to negative of 5 and volume of cone is equal to V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now identify what you want. First thing, you want find the rate at which the water level is dropping. Water level is dropping, it means this level is coming down. So what we have to find? We have to find dH by dt. Okay, what is given? dV by dt. What we have to find? dH by dt. So always these things should be in your mind. Now if we want dH by dt, then what is the use of this R here? So in place of R, can we convert this R into H? One thing, because second thing is if we are going to differentiate this with respect to time, then we will be having V, R and H. Three variables will be there. Okay, so we can convert R with H. Now let's check it. Now in triangle, here in triangle B, V and C, and triangle O, V and A. We are having two triangles. So what we can write it now? BC by BV is equal to OA by OV. Now what this is? By similarity of triangles. Okay, so BC is what? R upon H is equal to 5 by 10, and what R is? R is equal to H upon 2. Is it clear? So now we are having V of a volume of a cone is 1 upon 3 pi R square. R in place of what we can write it? H. H by 2 whole square into H. Or we having V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi H cube upon 4. Okay, again to this what we can write it? V is equal to 1 upon 12 pi H cube. Okay, so we have to be careful for all these parts. Now differentiating, again I am writing here V is equal to 1 by 12 pi H cube. Now differentiating with respect to time t, what we are getting? dV by dt is equal to 1 by 12 with pi with 3h square with dH by dt. What we are applying? Chain rule. Now let's solve it. dV by dt is what? Negative of 5. So negative of 5 indicates in decreasing. Negative of 5 with now 1 by 4 pi h square with dH by dt. Now dH by dt is equal to, we are having minus 20 upon pi h square. This is what we have to find. Okay, now one more thing, read carefully. What is the level? Find the rate at which the water level is dropping when it is 2.5 centimeter from the top. Read very carefully the question, what it is. 2.5 centimeter from the top. It means when from here it is 2.5 centimeter, what is this then? Now small h is equal to 10 minus 2.5 centimeter. This is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Now dH by dt at h is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Then what we are having? Minus 20 pi 7.5 square. Okay, what we are getting this one as, on solving this part we are having sorry, negative of 20 upon pi with 7.5 with 7.5. Now square of 7.5, or you can directly go for it. Now minus 4 with, even if you want to remove the decimals you can. Okay, minus 4 with 100 upon pi with 5 cancels with 20 and 5 cancels with 75. Okay, so it becomes with 75. Now 25 3s are 25 4s are. So what we are having, minus 16 upon 45 pi. Okay, so finally what we are having, the rate at which the water level is dropping, at which the water level is dropping from funnel, from conical funnel, is minus 16 upon 45 pi, sorry, is the rate at which the water level is dropping. Now water level is dropping means what? It is decreasing. Okay, the rate at which the water level is dropping from the conical funnel is 16 upon 45 pi. Now what is the unit? It is centimeter oblique. Earlier it was centimeter oblique second, so it will be centimeter oblique second when h is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So this is basically the answer for your question. Okay, so this is the answer, like this. With the help of neat and clean diagram, you can